one of the biggest obstacles, or at least challenges, was to be able to fabricate a nanosensor. When you talk about nanotechnology, you're talking about 100,000 times smaller than the width of your hair. That's a nanotech. So how do you actually fabricate a sensor using tools at that level of detail, that level of accuracy? So one of the biggest challenges we had was to be able to create a tool, a fabrication tool, and it took us almost 3 years to be able to do that, to be able to create to be able to fabricate sensors at this size.
The other half of it is making a formulation that is able to be deposited, and that part of the scale-up to make the formulation is its own science. I mean, it's beyond just discovering the material. We can't use the material unless we get that discovery onto the wafer that we want to mass produce the material and deposit it onto. So that formulation, it's like a surface chemistry, surface science application. So that took a lot of figuring out. That's the next level of being able to take something from the lab and being able to scale it up, mass produce it in a scalable way that nobody else can do, that nobody else knows how to do.